In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically adjust column and row width in Excel. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to make your columns adjust themselves as you type, so your entries are always visible without manual resizing. Start by opening Excel and creating a new blank worksheet. Type a longer phrase into the first cell so you can see what happens by default. You'll notice the text spills over into the next cell if that neighboring cell is empty, and it gets cut off if the next cell has something in it. That's a clear sign we need an automatic way to resize columns to fit whatever we type. To set that up, look at the Sheet tab at the bottom of the window, right-click the sheet name and choose View Code. This opens the Visual Basic for Applications editor, which is where we can add a small piece of VBA that keeps your columns fitting nicely as you work. We want this behavior to apply to the entire worksheet. At the top of the editor window, find the left-hand drop-down and change it from General to Worksheet. When you do that, the editor inserts a couple of lines for a worksheet level event procedure. Don't change those lines, leave them exactly as they are. They define when the code will run. Click your cursor between those two lines and type a single instruction. Cells entire column autofit. This one line tells Excel to automatically resize every column on the sheet so it fits the content after the worksheet event runs. It's simple, clean, and effective. Now, save your work in the editor and close the Visual Basic window. Back in Excel, it's time to test. Start typing in any cell, short words, long phrases, anything you like. As soon as you confirm your entry, you'll see the column adjust itself to match the content, ensuring the entire value is visible without extra clicks or manual dragging. A couple of practical notes as you use this. Because this solution uses VBA, Excel may ask you to enable macros when you open the file in the future. That's normal for workbooks that include code. Also, the resizing applies to all columns on the active sheet each time the relevant worksheet event occurs, which is perfect if your entries vary in length and you want a consistent, hands-off experience. And that's it. With a single, well-placed line of code, your columns now automatically fit what you type, keeping your sheet readable and polished as you go.